Good morning. Our semester is winding down, if you can believe that. I hope everyone is getting ready for the specialist of events this week, which is going to be Thanksgiving. Hopefully, you'll be able to celebrate in the safe kind of COVID way that we're being told on to do. And so I just wanted to provide a little bit of an overview as to this week, which builds on last week. Last week we did focus on meetings and conventions, and this week it's still in the meetings area, but more into special events. And so you'll have an opportunity in the following pages to be able to think about all of those kinds of opportunities that present for special events, and then that event planning process, which is going to be pretty similar to planning annual meetings and things like that we were able to review last week. And then an assignment to be able to kind of think of your own special event. So you could even use your Thanksgiving dinner plans, or maybe a special event that you have planned for next year when we're allowed to gather. As I said last week on my video, the special event area is probably the most hard hit, as well as meetings and conventions, by this global pandemic because of the nature in which it spreads and the fact that we don't want lots of people to gather, and that's kind of what meetings and conventions and special events is all about, is people gathering. So keep that top of mind, that while it might be difficult to think about a 200-person wedding right now, I'm sure that it will come back again, and maybe we'll have some better practices in place in order to keep safety in mind. And then, I'll be back in touch with you next week, hopefully after you've had a great weekend, to be able to think about leadership as our final topic before we wrap up the semester. I'll be posting some optional office hours if you wish, so that we can review kind of all of those items that we've discussed over the course of the semester. And I really hope that this has ignited your passion for hospitality and made you more interested in learning some of the different career paths. I'm always available to you if you need, so please don't hesitate to reach out, and have a great Thanksgiving.